welcome back to my channel. We have a special guest today and she is my mother. Just
Hello.
say hi. Okay, she is saying hi, and because Mother's Day is right here, so I thought let's make a video together. We are going to do a skincare session together, so it's kind of a pampering session together, and we have amazing products by Earth Rhythm today, and we will be using only those products, and I'm so excited. Are you excited, ho?
Yes.
Yes, okay, she's also excited. So without wasting any time, let's begin this video. So the first step we are going to do is cleanse our face, and for that we will be using Earth Rhythm Foaming Cleanser Phyto Repair 2% Niacinamide. This is specially designed for dry and dehydrated skin. This face wash deep cleanses the skin without any irritation. Niacinamide evens out skin tone, minimizes the appearance of pores and reduces dark spots. From brightening the dull skin and reducing redness to blurring fine lines, it not only refines skin's appearance but boosts barrier function. After cleansing our face, we are going to use face mask. This is a pour out face mask which has a pumpkin enzyme and glycolic acid. So because it has glycolic acid, these are AHAs and BHAs, so I would suggest if you're using this mask, then use it during the night time, and don't use this mask and just go outside in sunlight, because it can give you hyperpigmentation, so do skip that. But if you're using this, then always use this in the nighttime skincare routine. And I actually love this mask because it has glycolic acid, so it exfoliates the skin very well. Pour out face mask is designed to exfoliate and resurface the skin for smoother and even complexion. It helps to remove dead skin cells from the surface to reveal brighter skin. It has been 15 minutes that we applied this face mask, so it's time to remove it, and let us wash this face mask and we will come back. Now pores are all clean, and now the next step we are going to use is Earth Rhythm Pore Away Tonic. So it's a toner. It has niacinamide, vitamin C, ceramides and licorice extract. We will take just a few drops of it, like 3-4 drops, and we will pat it on our skin, like, you know, बहुत ही gently इसको लगाएंगे, and yeah, it gives such cooling sensation and I absolutely love that, especially during summers. Pore Away Tonic is developed with a gentle formula. This pore refining toner energizes and refreshes the skin instantly. Next, we are going to use Earth Rhythm Clear Skin. This has 20% vitamin C, 2.5% BIO-RETINOL, 2% salicylic acid and 1.5% hyaluronic acid. This serum helps a lot. So we are going to take like 2-3 pumps, and we are going to apply it on our skin. It is a skin rejuvenating serum that promotes glowing skin. This serum is rich in antioxidants that fight pigmentation and the signs of aging. It also increases skin's elasticity and makes it hydrated and plump. Now after cleansing, toning and applying serum and everything, we are going to protect our skin, and to protect our skin we need sunscreen, and for that we have Earth Rhythm Mineral Sunstick which has SPF 50. It is PA4+, and it protects from UVA and UVB rays both, and it's a pure mineral sunscreen, so we are going to apply on both of our faces. And the sunsticks are actually so good when it comes to reapplication of sunscreen, and you should reapply your sunscreen every 2-3 hours when you're outside. So definitely a sunscreen is a must-have product and it's a win-win. Let me just clean it first. It effectively prevents skin damage caused by the harmful rays of the sun, and I absolutely like the idea that it has a refillable container, which means it can be refilled. And lastly, to moisturize our lips, we are going to use Earth Rhythm lip mask. This has beetroot extract, pomegranate flower, and this is an overnight intensive treatment. This will intensely moisturize your lips like overnight. So I'm gonna use it first and then my mom will use it. Oh my god, this mask is like super good. This is definitely going to moisturize our lips well, like super good. I absolutely love this lip mask. आपको अच्छा लग रहा है?
Yes. बहुत अच्छा है.
See, my mom approves this lip mask already. So that was our skincare pampering session. We both enjoyed a lot and we love Earth Rhythm's products a lot. If you guys want to buy anything from Earth Rhythm's collection, you can check out their website and you can find all of these products links in the description box below. So yeah, that's it, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will meet you some other time. Bye.